Check out this dog. It looks like he's found the best toy of his life, and it's his owner's dress. Look how he's latched onto the fringe. He won't let go for anything. The whole thing has turned into a hilarious game of tug of war. Look at him pull. The girl is laughing so hard she can barely stand up. She's trying to walk away, but the dog just holds on even tighter. You can just tell how much fun he's having. This moment is just so sweet and funny.